repeat the topic once more. Dominance of regional parties is good for democracy. Yes, you can start your discussion.
I want to start by saying that I feel regional parties are not very healthy for a democracy. This is because we often come across instances where regional parties put unreasonable demands at the center towards their states, and especially if you see a case in point, that's Mamata Banerjee, by especially asking the center to roll back the railway budget. So you can see that it's not always healthy for a regional party to influence democracy, because it doesn't let the center implement all the policies and plans which they've made for the country in a unified manner, because they always have to manage the regional parties, and if they withdraw support, then the government is helpless because they have to form the government.
I agree with you, but you cannot disallow regional parties. That's the basic principle of democracy.
Exactly. Democracy is all about people, and if people don't get their say, then I think it defeats the purpose of democracy. Regional parties should get their say. They need to, because how is the center supposed to take decisions without actually knowing what people want?
I do agree with this. Democracy is a rule of the people. So I really feel that every region and every regional party has its own importance, and even they have a better say in every decision of the country.
But I really agree with my friend here. He said that the regional parties are demanding unreasonable demands they have. Talking about Mamata Banerjee, and same is the case with DMK, which asked the UPA government to vote against the Sri Lanka in the UN Assembly. But just because DMK forced the UPA government to vote against the Sri Lanka, our own neighbor, every Asian country voted in the favor of Sri Lanka. We were the only country there voting against our very own neighbor.
If a kid wants something, you don't give it. I'm talking about
the we can't compare it.
Yes, we can. Just listen to me once.
Democracy by
if a kid wants something, you don't give everything without thinking. You give in to his demand only if they're right. So regional parties, if they make unreasonable demands, you don't listen to them.
But
politics.
But in the constitution, everybody has the right to live.
Exactly.
And consider the same in the constitution. And doesn't mean that they're poor, they won't be.
No, let's
not talk about the basic constitutional
democracy by its main definition only
suggests government. So one single party gets a majority at the center. We are living, so obviously every regional party will have its say, but at the same time we must see that they do not play that much of a role, that they are influencing decisions. Not in their own and towards the greater good of the state, but not towards the greater good of the nation as a whole.
I think it's a very important point that the regional parties, they will have their say, but they cannot dominate the country.
And today the present scenario is so worse. The UPA government is being considered the most spineless government ever. But this is because every regional party is giving their own demands. They are dominating the decision, they are influencing the decision, and the government cannot function independently. They have to ask every regional party, oh, okay, we can do this, you give me the vote in the parliament, okay, fine. They cannot take a unanimous decision on their own. We have elected the UPA government, we haven't elected DMK or the TMC at the center.
Just a person at the root of the problem, whichever region he is from, he will be in a better position to suggest methods to solve the problem in that particular region. You find this in management principles also. The workers, they're given a say in the management decision. They are facing the problem every day.
Yeah, but that's what we say.
Yeah,
but at the state level, definitely
the topic is about
democracy.
Yeah.
The discussion is okay. Fine. Can we have a bit of conduct here? See, democracy by the very definition.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm sorry, I am again interruption. Please speak one by one.
Please speak one by
What
one.
we are.
Topic, as we know, it's regional parties is good for democracy, and I feel it's definitely good for democracy because it helps the government to, it tells the government where the state is lagging behind or where it is underdeveloped. Like we can see, there have been some development in Bihar, which was said to be the most, underdeveloped state.
No, that is fine.
What we are talking about here is dominance
of regional parties for democracy.
Which is not good. The barter system Mamata Banerjee is playing, okay, you give me a bailout of the loan and I'll vote for you. This is not, this is
democracy by very
saying over here is dominance of
by the people and for the people. So the part of regional parties is not mentioned here, right?
Yeah, regional parties should function within their own
See,
domain.
the dominance, it's actually some regional parties are very powerful and the others are not. It's actually a dominance.
They're working for the nation. I think there are
Actually,
domains in a country.
No, there are states. We have
I agree.
and there are.
Just the country, and I think it should be considered as a single domain.
Right.
So for
Not the
that,
dominance of
we
regional
should not
parties.
be-
Yes, exactly, the whole-
with other countries also, and you have to see where we stand.
I think we
See,
all have
considering
to
this
agree with that. The
right?
regional parties are obviously important. You cannot have Congress ruling all the states. You need
True,
to
very
have
important.
their, their allies
that.
need to be. But at the same time, you must see that they don't go out of control and start making unreasonable
That's
demands.
exactly what-
There should be a rule saying so.
For
allow me to
that,
speak.
For that, even other institutions are there. For that, judiciary is there that they are not overusing their powers or they are not crossing their limits. So, but on a whole, I think
Regional
it's
parties
said that regional parties should not
should
overrule.
be there.
Regional
Yeah,
parties should not
exactly.
be
That's what the discussion is about.
They should be part of the democracy, right?
Yeah, they are necessary.
They should be limited to the powers, right?
Yeah, they should
overrule the parties. The parties should not overrule our.
But they
Central government.
are important for the
should be
nation to
limited.
work as a whole. They are important, but they should cross their limits.
What we
Yes.
see today, every regional party is, focusing on their own personal interests, their own region, region-wise development.
That's
That is what That is what
We are not talking about whether regional parties are good or not. We are talking about is
The way they are manipulating
Let me
the central
complete.
I think
government.
we should
Can I
come
complete?
to solutions. What
Let this
exactly-
gentleman
Can I
complete,
complete?
please.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, what we are talking about is dominance of regional parties. Now, as you said, regional parties, it leads to decentralization, and decentralization can be good, can be bad. So there are pros and
Everything
cons
has
of
its pros and
everything.
cons.
Fine.
Everything has
So
its pros
yeah.
and cons.
So what we are talking about is dominance. As she said, regional parties should have their say. Regional parties should have their say.
Yes, but they shouldn't
shouldn't be.
overstep their
Yeah,
boundaries.
they should be not. They
They
shouldn't.
should
They shouldn't be allowed to make decisions by themselves.
Yes,
Their
exactly.
their viewpoint
They should be a part of the
taken
decision
into
making, right?
consideration.
Yeah.
Forcing decision on your phone.
Yeah.
I'm afraid I'm not able to listen to his points as well as whatever points you are making. I'm not able to get what you people are saying.
I think that when a decision is made, if it is constituted by many people or many systems, that decision is much better than a decision.
Yeah, you take all the good points of that decision. You take all the good points
Too many
of.
can always spoil the broad. If you start listening to if you start listening to so many leaders, then one.
That is the sense of the
contestant-
political government.
But
Okay, thank you, Glo.
I've been talking about.
Thank you, Glo. Thanks a lot. I'd like you to conclude.
Regional parties will be fulfilling the goals, but constitution should take their point of view in the decision making. I also think that regional parties should be included in the decision making and.
Ma'am, please summarize.
I think so that the regional parties should have their dominance over the democracy. It is healthy for our democracy, but at the same time, the regional parties should not overrule, over-pressurize. They should not enforce their.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Glo.